Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix 007 first light gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first thing what you need to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option. Search for a device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select a controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and after that here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if gamepad is working or not. If it doesn't work, come back again. This time select disable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files is verified, now launch the game and check whether gamepad is working or not. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Some other troubleshooting tips to follow: clear cache on Steam. So go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You need to log into Steam again, so confirm it and log into Steam once again, and after that check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If using wired plug for your controller, then unplug it and replug it once, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to use big picture mode for the game. So go to Steam, select your game under library section, and here in the above section you can see enter big picture mode. So simply click it, and after clicking on it, will enter big picture mode. After that you have to play the game and then exit big picture mode, and after that check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.